too many. That's it. Down under. I ate all the states. I'm a monster. You see?